Okay, today we are going to talk about chapter 7, problem 11, revisit the drunk pirate problem from the exercise in chapter 3. This time the drunk pirate makes a turn and then takes some step forward and repeats this. Our social science student now records pairs of data, the angle of each turn and the number of steps taken after the turn. And then it gives her data. And then we're going to use a turtle to draw. So originally this let's just open up the original Drunk Pirate. So it was basic, a couple chapters ago. Turtle, turn degrees, and then I think we use a 4 turn degrees in the pathway. So it's use this one, this one, this one, this one. So it's just a quick demonstration of that. So just a random drunk pirate walk. Um, This time though, what we're gonna do is we did import turtle. Our drunk walk is gonna be for angle, comma distance, and then that's gonna allow us to do the I'm not we're gonna do the 2 different variables. We're gonna do the angle, comma distance. So for angle, comma distance in, and then it gives us angle, distance, angle, distance, angle, distance, angle, distance. We're gonna go left to the angle, and then we're gonna go forward the distance. Okay, that's this. Now this is really, I ran it earlier. It's really small. It's just that, but if you look back at the code, we are turning 160 degrees, walking forward 20, turning negative 43 degrees, walking forward 10, turning 270 degrees, walking forward 8, turning negative 43 and walking forward 12. So altogether, we're only moving 60 steps. So that definitely is 4 different lengths, 4 different there. So just a quick video, of showing how to do multiple variables in one list and not having to do 2 different lists. Anyway, thank you.